Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix index of error. So as you can see here, this is my website. I am getting index of error, and keep watching this video. I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, download WordPress from wordpress.org website. This error will happen if index of file is missing or something wrong is happen with index of file or file permissions has been changed. So now I have downloaded my WordPress file. After that, go to cPanel to upload latest WordPress. You can do that in two types. First is directly uploading in cPanel or by FTP. So I will go to cPanel to upload WordPress file in public HTML. I will upload here. I will drag and drop. Okay, now my WordPress is uploaded. I will go back to cPanel and reload this. So as you can see here is my WordPress zip file. I will extract this to public HTML. So first what we will do is we will copy this index file, move this index file to public HTML. So now we have moved index file. Now let's see if the error has been resolved or not. So I will go to my website tab now, and if I reload this, so as you can see here, now my website is getting. So this is the problem of index file which is missing in my cPanel server in WordPress files. So just by adding index file, website is now visible. So in this way you can fix the issue. Thanks for watching video.